Welcome to another episode of our HTML journey. So, we've reached so far in this course, I wanted to go show you guys a small thing. This is a small video, just a very small video, but a small thing that can help you out a lot in your page making. So right here, we're just going to write a link. So I have a link right now on my phone. You probably guys can recognize this link, but before we write the link down, I'm just going to write an H3, and I'm going to write my name. Or Star Programming. Where are you watching this from? Star Programming. So this is where you're watching the video from, Star Programming. Well, that's right there. So we have Star Programming right there, just right there. And we're just gonna put A shows link. Then href, and you put your link there. So then there's no link gonna be in these boxes. You have to put your own link sometimes. So when you put your own link, it takes you to like a different thing. So let me just put my link right there. https://u.be. You guys can probably guess what I'm doing right now. U-M Z, and okay, well, this is weird. PCV. Okay, come on. You know, I don't want to copy this whole thing. Okay, I already have it on my phone. I don't want to copy up the whole thing. Then after that, you can just write target blank. So you write target blank, that means whenever you click on your link, well, that thing is not gonna be there. So I'm actually gonna remove. I'm just gonna write here. So I'm just actually gonna remove this code right here. I'm just gonna remove it because I feel like that's much better. So like when you see this, there's a bit of space in between. There's an ending tag. So when there's an ending tag, you can write something. So I'm just no. So I'm just gonna write Star Programming. So now I've written Star Programming. We're gonna go here and we're gonna reload. So we have reloaded this thing. Yeah, I don't know why I can't see it. Or am I just blocking myself? Oh wait, no. I can see it. So maybe it's my webcam. My webcam's blocking everything. So let's make it. Okay, this is not gonna be easy. Let me just remove my webcam, guys. Sorry, 1 second. I just moved my webcam. I'm sorry. It's probably bigger right now because now. But if you actually look at it, there is the Star Programming just right there. When you click on that link, you're gonna go to YouTube, and when you wait for a while, you know, the YouTube is gonna load, and then like, you guys probably are wondering what is this. So this is my very first video on the channel, and don't know why it's taking so long to load. But as you guys can see, it's like there's a link. So when you click on the link, you can like make a different website. You can make like a thing where you click on the link and it's downloads something for you. So it's gonna be so easy for us to do it. So we'll do a lot of stuff throughout this whole adventure, and it's gonna be pretty cool. Yeah. So we're pretty much done with this HTML part of the course. It's not over. The course is not over. But like the course is split into different things, and now we just finished the HTML part. Now we're gonna go to CSS, and there are a bunch more to go. So let's go ahead. I'll see you guys later in the video. Hopefully YouTube will load by the time, but if it doesn't load, well, you guys should subscribe and leave a like and watch today's video. If you liked it a lot, if this helped you a lot, comment down below. It shows me that you guys are actually working along with me. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Oh wow, YouTube is coming at the end of the video. Flip you, YouTube. I'll see you guys later in another video. Take care.